Now, I'm not saying that this Velcro holds 10 pounds. I just wanted to see if I could stick this 10-pound homemade sandbag that I made. I wanted to see if it'll stick, and I stuck this on here yesterday and it's still sticking. So, and this is the this is a metal panel, so it's not the wall. And I'm gonna pull it off and see if it comes off. The Velcro stayed on. So for what I'm using these for everything that I've used these for, it's nothing's even a pound. I'm not sticking anything that's even a pound, but the Velcro sticks very well, and also the tape. The tape sticks very well. Yeah, this would be on there. So I wouldn't stick anything 10 pounds. I just use that for an example, just to show. Yeah, that's on there. So the Velcro and the tape is very, very strong for what I'm using them for. And I hope that helps. And like I said, I would not stick anything 10 pounds. But I just wanted to show that as an example to show how it's really strong. So you have a good day. So what I'm using this Velcro for is it's perfect. It's perfect. It's really strong. What I'm doing is I just take it and I put it together and I make my cuts. Make sure you got good scissors, because these scissors are not good enough for cutting this. But I just make my cuts, so I'll have pieces however I want. And some of the stuff I started making pieces this big, and I didn't even need, I cut it in half again because it was working so well for the lightweight things that I was using it for. And the tape is really strong. I just pulled this one off. The tape is really strong, and so is the Velcro. So it's a heavy duty Velcro, works well. This roll is it's gonna last me a long time for what I use it for. And like I said, I was cutting bigger pieces, and then I just started cutting them even in smaller and saving more. So I'm really happy with this, and I hope you have a wonderful day.